Building an e-commerce empire. Tips for starting and scaling your online store. If you've recently opened an online store, you're certainly immediately thinking about ways to expand it so that it may reach its full potential given how rapidly the e-commerce sector is growing. The process of scaling an e-commerce firm can transform a modest but consistently successful shop into a well-known and widely recognized online brand. However, before you can even begin to think about expanding your e-commerce firm, you need to be sure that you have a strong foundation in place. You wouldn't build a house on a shaky foundation, and the same principle should be applied to your company. Before you even begin to consider growing your business, you need to be certain that you have a solid website, excellent customer service, and high-quality products. However, if you have achieved a level of self-assurance in the foundations of your company, the sky is the limit in terms of how far you may develop your e-commerce firm. In this video, we will discuss some of the most important measures that you can do to scale your e-commerce business to achieve the most successful outcomes possible. Number 1. Formulate a plan for your marketing efforts. Establishing a successful marketing strategy is vital because if no one is aware that your company exists, it will be impossible to expand it and bring in more revenue. While there is no marketing approach that is certain to be successful for every company, there are a few key areas that you can concentrate on that have a high probability of doing so. These are the following. Paid marketing. When determining the cost of your marketing strategy, you should give some thought to the possibility of allocating funds for paid advertisements. These may take the shape of social media advertisements on important platforms like Facebook and Instagram, pay-per-click (PPC), advertisements to help raise your Google rankings, or banner advertisements on websites that are pertinent to your industry. Paid marketing, which gives some of the greatest data and analytics to track your success, is a terrific method to reach new clients and may be an effective approach to bringing in new business. The practice of optimizing a website so that it appears in relevant search results is referred to as search engine optimization (SEO), which is an abbreviation for search engine optimization. This optimization may involve including pertinent keywords in the material you produce, developing a backlink profile for your website, and providing users with an experience that is unparalleled in its category. The higher up in the search results your website appears for keywords that are pertinent to your company, the more visitors you are likely to draw to your website, which in turn helps to build your online profile. Retargeting. Attracting new consumers is an essential component of expanding your business, but you should also make it a priority to retarget existing visitors to your store who have not yet purchased from you. Retargeting clients who have already been to your website or who have started shopping, but then left without completing their transaction can be an effective method for enticing those customers to finish their transactions. Email marketing and targeted advertisements on social media platforms are two of the most effective strategies to accomplish this goal. Step 2. Put your money into automation. You need to invest in automation if you have any intention of growing your company to a larger scale. This entails handing over some of your current day-to-day responsibilities to automation services, which will help you cut down on the number of man-hours spent on fundamental responsibilities. Repricing, collecting feedback, and providing customer support are all examples of services that can be automated. You will have more time on your hands to devote to other aspects of the company's operations that require your attention if you automate some chores. In addition, as your company expands, you will probably discover that there are simply not enough hours in the day for you or even a team of staff members to finish everything that needs to be done. Therefore, investing in software design for automation is going to become necessary. Step 3. Provide excellent customer support. Even though automating customer care with the assistance of chatbots can frequently be a helpful move as your company expands, you shouldn't let this put the quality of the service that you provide to your customers in jeopardy. Regardless of how high quality your items are, if you provide poor customer service, your clients will be less likely to purchase from you again or refer you to a friend. It's crucial to keep your consumers satisfied, and one way to do so is to offer human interaction at some point during the process of providing customer care. This will ensure that your clients have the very best experience you can give them. We advocate mixing automated services like chatbots for consumers who have simple and often asked questions with live chat and telephone contact alternatives for customers who require more in-depth assistance. Step 4. Outsource fulfillment. As your company grows, you are likely to find that you can no longer fulfill your customers' requests on your own. When you initially begin selling items online, you may find it doable to package and ship each order on your own. However, as your company expands and the quantity of orders increases, you're going to quickly discover that it is hard to keep up with demand. We strongly suggest that you work with a fulfillment business so that they can handle the task of processing, packaging, and shipping your orders for you. If you are attempting to keep your overhead costs to a minimum, the first expenditure may come as a shock to you. Nonetheless, it is an investment that will allow you to scale up significantly. In other words, you will have your money back in no time at all. Step 5. Refine your website. If you want to grow your company to a larger size, selecting the right platform to sell your products on is essential. This may be your e-commerce website, or it could be a third-party marketplace like Amazon or Etsy. Because first impressions are so important, your website must be inviting and engaging to visitors. You must ensure that you are utilizing product photographs of high quality and that you are offering people all of the information they require to make a buy with self-assurance. A positive experience for the user is also very important. Your customers should be able to effortlessly explore your website and locate the information they require without having to contend with obnoxious pop-up windows or painfully slow load times. Check out our rundown on the top e-commerce website builders if you're seeking the ideal foundation on which to construct your website. You won't want to miss this resource. Step 6. Make sure your market strategy is optimized. If you want to sell your wares through an online marketplace, you should be prepared for a great deal of rivalry. Amazon, eBay, and Etsy are 3 examples of well-known online marketplaces that each host thousands of independent merchants who compete for customers' business. As a result, if you want to successfully scale your firm, you are going to need to stay on top of your market strategy. This involves performing regular comparisons of your prices, product range, and delivery rates, as well as customer reviews with those of your rivals. You need to make it crystal apparent to prospective clients why they should shop with you rather than with another vendor. Step 7. Make use of feedback from customers. When you buy something online as opposed to doing so in person, you will not have the opportunity to visually inspect the item before making a purchase decision. Because of this, a significant number of potential buyers choose to peruse user reviews of various products before making a purchase. Therefore, collecting evaluations has developed into a crucial component of the customer journey, and displaying these in a method that makes them simple to access will assist you in accelerating your business's expansion. The final impetus a user needs to make a purchase is frequently provided in the form of a positive review. If you display reviews from other customers, you are helping to develop trust with your audience, which is an essential component in persuading potential buyers to make a purchase. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.